Speaking is scary, but impromptu speaking for many people is at the next level. But what if I can tell you there's a couple of simple tricks that will make you understand how to tackle an impromptu speech, but also look forward to this occasion? Would you even believe me? As a speaker, one of the most important attributes is to speak authentically, and that comes from not memorizing and not using palm cards. Many speakers actually use impromptu techniques in their speeches. So, how do they do this? First, you have to trust your own ability. You must act confident. The moment your audience knows that you are uncertain in your ability, it shows, either through your body language or the lack of energy. Secondly, you need to have a clear structure. See, this is where the effective speakers use frameworks to help articulate their thoughts. Some of these frameworks include past, present, and future. And this helps you when you want to build a storyline. Another framework is the individual, family, and the society. By using frameworks, you are ultimately taking the pressure off you while also helping you structure your thought process. Now look, sometimes we all get stuck, and we need to buy ourselves some time to think. And this is where we see the difference between an amateur speaker and a professional speaker. An amateur speaker will start rambling, stumbling until he has found the right words, while a professional speaker will pause, smile at the audience, and enjoy the silence. And if they need even more time, they might ask the audience a rhetorical question. Not only does this build a connection with the audience, it enables yourself to create clarity in the mind. Impromptu speaking will be a key component on your journey to becoming a captivating speaker. And just with a couple of techniques, anyone can be an unprepared master speaker.